Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to access OneDrive and Google Drive through the My File apps on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So your Samsung S25 Ultra has already a built-in OneDrive and Google Drive access on the My Files app, and you don't need an extra app for Google Drive or OneDrive. So you can go ahead and delete those apps as they're no use since they're already integrated on the My Files app. So let me show you where you can find it. So let's go ahead and open up My Files app. From here, go ahead and find Google Drive and OneDrive. So as you can see, it's currently not signed in. So we'll go ahead and sign in. We'll go ahead and enter in our credentials. And now once you've given access to My Files to your OneDrive, you'll see that all your files are now here and you can basically access them through the My Files app. You can also transfer files from your phone to your OneDrive or your Google Drive, and that way you have a seamless connection between your phone and your cloud backup. So this way you can manage all your cloud storage directly from Samsung's built-in My Files app without needing a separate app. This basically saves you space, reduces clutter, and makes file access much easier and much faster. So there you go guys, that's how to access OneDrive and Google Drive through the My Files app on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.